I'm Jamie from Trusted Brands Direct, and I have just got an air purifier in that I'm about to ship out to a customer, and I wanted to just take this opportunity just to film a couple of things because there's not much on the internet about this particular unit yet. So I wanted to tell you a bit of information about it and just give you a bit of an unboxing and show you some of the things to do with the Air 160. So this is the Air 160. The company that have made it is a company called Vectorthor, and they specialize in pest control products globally under the umbrella of Insistex. The product is quite unique, and we're based in Australia, and we got hold of this product about 6 months ago now. We started ordering it, and we have been through the bushfires here, and we've been through lots of air pollution with the fires. We've been through recently all of the things to do with coronavirus, COVID-19, and this air purifier really comes into its element when it comes to virus control. So with us moving into this new sort of era with COVID-19 and all the things that we see in the media, this air purifier really comes into its element because of the different techniques that it employs. So I'm just going to talk to you a bit about that. But first I'm going to unbox it and show you what comes with the purifier. So when you receive your purifier, you just need to be very careful in taking it out, because inside here is a UVC bulb, which is very fragile. Your instructions. This is the unit here. And it also comes with the filter, which you need to install as well. Because the bulb is fragile, it doesn't come pre-installed. Also it's good because as an annual maintenance you'll be changing the bulb and you'll be changing the filter, so it's good to install them at the beginning. It just gives you the head knowledge as to how the unit works, and so it doesn't become scary when you have to service that unit in a year's time. The Air 160 has 3 different methods of filtration. So compared to a lot of other air purifiers which predominantly focus on a HEPA filter, this is very different, and this is where it comes into its element with viruses, because it's got the ultraviolet or UVC bulb, which in effect sterilizes and disinfects the air, which as the air comes into a chamber inside the unit, it becomes sterilized and disinfected with this UVC bulb. Many purifiers on the market don't have this type of technology, and the Air 160 does. And right now there are lots of air purifying companies kind of scrambling together to try to add this technology into their unit. More people are starting to find that this unit, although it's not typically a residential unit, they're finding that because there's no other unit available on the market which does the same sorts of thing using the same technology, they're finding that actually they're purchasing this one to use in a residential setting. We've seen many orders come in over the last few months of people who are at home in their house who want to install a unit which covers a larger area. This unit can purify air in an area 100 meters cubed, 100 cubic meters, sorry, and the rate of air going through it is 50 cubic meters per hour. So in a lot of modern houses, they're big open areas, and this unit can handle an area like that. So it's a commercial-based unit, now available to the public for residential as well as commercial settings. So we're finding a range of different people buying this unit and testing it. So in a second I'm going to talk to you about how to install the bulb and also how to install the filter, and we'll talk a bit more about the technology that's inside the Air 160.